Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install Google Drive on your Windows 11. Now open any web browser, type here Google Drive, download. Now here you will see option google.com official site, download Google Drive. Now click on download Drive for desktop. Now once you see Google Drive, now once you successfully download, double click on this setup file. If it will ask permissions, so click on yes. Check this box if you want to add an application shortcut to your desktop. Check this box if you want to add desktop shortcuts to Google Docs, Sheets and Slides. Then click on Install. Now sign in your Drive account. So this is the way guys you can install Drive on your desktop or laptop. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.